welcome back to my channel. I am filming on the camera that I just told you guys that I just got. I got it for vlogging, but I was like, let me test it out, see what my regular videos would look like on this. However, I'm not sure because I don't think you guys understand just how close I am standing to this camera, and I still feel like it seems so far away and it's just a lot of open space. I don't know, maybe I'll need to play with it in editing, but we here right now and I already set it up, so this is what we are going to use today. So as you can see by the title, we are testing out lip products today. This kind of gives Huda Beauty. I don't know if you guys have seen those new Huda lip liners and the lip glosses, I think they are. I feel like this kind of gives that. This is from Maybelline, and y'all know like when the more affordable brands are trying to dupe higher priced brands, they're a little vague with it, but by the packaging, you can kind of tell who they're trying to dupe. I don't know which one came out first, but that's what it reminds me of. But they have some new, well, this is Maybelline. Did I say that? Child, I'm just all over the place right now. This is from Maybelline. They have some new lip products. I figured I would do a video testing some of these out, seeing how they pair together, and if there are things from the drugstore that you should be having your eyes on. So let's go. I just feel like it's so, but my background's gonna be changing up anyway, but I really do need to sit down and play around with this, figure it out. So this is the Lifter Gloss, Hyaluronic Acid, just a gloss. So these are the new Lifter Gloss. So these are the new Lifter Gloss and liners. Okay, I gotta start out with the liner first. Mind you, this is how old I'm getting. I literally knew I was about to film a video where I'm showing you guys a whole bunch of lip products, lip liner, lip gloss. Guess what I got ready to do while I was getting ready? Put on lip gloss and lip liner. I was like, girl. Okay, so we have number 6 line leader. I don't think it's gonna be doing much lip lining, but you know, we're doing it for the plot. Okay, and then the gloss is number 2 Ice. This will probably be a really pretty gloss, just not with this lip liner shade. Please want to start hearing stuff when I'm filming. Ooh, this smells like coconut. Thumbnail. So it's giving like a frosted pink but clear lip shade. Like I said, it'll probably be cute as a like topper on more pigmented lip glosses, lip products, and the lip liner obviously wasn't going to do much for my lips, but this smells really good, and like I said, this will probably be a good topper. So this shade, we're gonna keep her. The lip liner, well, taking the plastic off these lip liners is pissing me off. But this is number 2, Let's Bounce. It's more of a brown, so we should have better luck this time around. Maybe not, maybe not. Ooh. They are very creamy lip liners. And the gloss is number 8 Stone. Okay, yes, powdered donut, Pepto-Bismol, just this shade. And again, the lip liner was not going to do much for me, but this shade with a lip liner, I mean, I feel like this shade without a lip liner, I probably could do. Think back, actually, I just saw Makeup Shayla talking about how, you know, like back in the day, it was like shades like this, like peachy nude, stuff like that, and dark-skinned Black women were still wearing it that way. So I mean, I could if I wanted to. Would I want to? No, but this is a pretty shade that I would wear with lip liner. Would I wear it on its own? It's a pretty shade. No. I feel like we're bordering just on the line of crack. Okay, next up we have number 3, Player. I keep saying, okay, maybe this one, but I know the last one. The last one's got us. Oh, my bad, my bad. The lip gloss in shade 21 Gummy Bear. Looks like a very cute pink. I know it's gonna look crazy, but okay. I was hoping that this would be as like pigmented like this, like a shade that I just tried on, but this is giving another like slight pink hue, clear lip topper. Cute in combination, but you know, I feel like I've looked crazy a majority of this video. All right, y'all, finally a brown lip liner. This is number 1, Cross the Line. This should, don't piss me off. Ooh, make sure you can see that. Overline a little bit because I still have some of the other shades showing. Okay, now that's what I'm used to seeing. All right, cross the line. And the gloss shade is number 4, Silk. See, a cute pink brown combination. Now, if the lip liner looked like some of the other lip liners and we're looking just at the shade, even the shade, like I was saying, the other one that was more pigmented, that one I probably could, especially like back in the day, have gotten away with wearing that. It would have looked, you know, flat a little bit on my face. This one's a little darker, so I could probably get away with this one even more, but see how just the combination of those two together with the brown lip liner is doing something for me. I keep looking off into the mirror. It's doing something for me. I like that. So the other shades that I just tried on, imagine that, well, really the other one that was a little bit more pigmented, because the other two are, like I said, are giving like a lip topper. Actually, let me put, what are you, number 2 on top of this, see what it's giving. Like, you see how that just took it to a little extra something? Like I said, a topper. Would I wear that alone? Probably not. But as a topper, yes. Yeah, hello. Yeah. All right, y'all. Definitely wasn't expecting that to go that way. I am a brown bandit when it comes to lip liner. I remember when the Fenty lip liners came out, people were like, can she give us something other than brown for deeper complexions to use? I'ma stick with brown. You know, the other shades are cute in theory, and you know, like red lipstick, that I'll play around with when it comes to lip liner, but other than that, I'ma stick with brown because brown has never failed me. But you know, if you guys do like playing around with other shades of lip liner, I tested them out so you can see what they would look like with someone my complexion, also someone who has more pigmented lips like I do, and also showed you guys the glosses. The glosses, they, like I said, they smell like coconut. They are not lip plumpers. I don't feel any tingling. At least I don't think they're supposed to be lip plumpers. If they are, I don't feel anything. Two pigmented, two, like I said, more so clear gloss toppers. I would describe them not as overly sticky type of gloss. Yeah, that's pretty much it. The brown lip liner, I'm most likely going to continue using that one. Like I said, it's a creamy lip liner. I'll keep you guys updated on, you know, transfer, like how it wears throughout the day. But the brown lip liner is the only one that I would pick up, but it seems like it's gonna be a good lip liner. The lip glosses probably have me more excited than the lip liner, probably because I just have other lip liners that I really like. But for me, out of this, it's the lip glosses, if I were you, that I would run and go check out, because like I said, I feel like they're giving very cute lip glosses. They're gonna be affordable, cute pink shades that can be flattering across skin tones. So I feel like the winner here are these lifter glosses. So that is it for this video. Let me know in the comments down below if you guys have tried this gloss out for yourself. Make sure to thumbs up, comment, subscribe. I keep tasting it a little bit. It tastes a little. Wait a minute. What was I saying? Make sure to thumbs up, comment, subscribe, turn notification bells down below. If you are not following me on the gram or TikTok, go ahead, follow me over there. I do shorter content over there, and I'll be talking more on my stories over there. Just had to, you know, throw that out there, a little self-advertisement. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.